Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to get this glam-ish kind of look. Yeah. So first you're going to start off with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Cream Contour Kit, and you're going to color correct using the reddish tone that's in there. So here I'm going to start by using my Fenty foundation in the shade 300, and I'm going to mix it in with my Maybelline Fit Me concealer, and it's in the shade Light. Start using the NARS Luminous Radiant Creamy Concealer in the shade Canal. And then on top of that, I'm going to go ahead back in with the Maybelline Fit Me in the same shade Light. So since I like having really bright under eyes, I like to put LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Porcelain. Here I'm going in with the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder under my eyes and around my nose to avoid any creasing. Then I go in again with the same Anastasia Cream Contour Kit and I start warming up my face. Now around the areas that I don't bake, I go ahead and grab a big brush and I put the Airspun translucent powder around my face just to make sure that it's all set. With the Anastasia Medium to Tan Contour Kit, the powder one, I'm going to go ahead and start bronzing up and contouring the rest of my face. So since I'm taking off the powder off my face, I go ahead and with the same damp beauty blender and I just press it into my skin. That way it's a longer lasting finish. I'm using the Wet n Wild Pearlescent Pink as blush. In with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Amrezy highlighter. Bless you. I'm going in with the same NARS concealer and just putting it all over my eyelids. Now to warm up my eyelids, I'm going to go ahead in with a shade from the contour kit from Anastasia, just to make sure they're not like pale. Because I don't really wear lipstick, I'm just going to go ahead and take a piece of cloth with some micellar water and I'm just going to take away my foundation lips. Usually I'll just like put saliva on there, but just to not be gross for this video, I'm going to do it the normal way. Now I'm going in with my favorite lip gloss from Neutrogena, and it's in the shade Glaze 60. Okay, so this part's a bit weird, but I go ahead in with just a white eyeshadow and I put it on my waterline because I don't have a white eyeliner. I wouldn't try this. This is the Mega Plush Volume Express from Maybelline. So a trick to be able to have your bottom lashes look more full, I like to go in with like a brown shade on in the bottom of my waterline, just so they look more voluminous. And here I'm just sharpening up some of my contour with some more Bake. So I'm using the Vegas Snay lashes from Idior, and I kind of struggled with putting them on, so I just did the rest of it off camera. So thank you guys for watching. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and then all my social media platforms will be listed down below.